Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today in this session we are going to discuss one of the most important question, that is what is the role of planning system in AI. This particular question, this particular topic is very important for your examination. So now let's just start the discussion. So basically the role of planning system in AI is crucial for enabling autonomous decision making, problem solving, right? That we have discussed earlier in previous lecture. Also, planning system helps an AI system decide how to act in a given environment in order to achieve specific goals. So here we have some important roles or importance of planning systems in AI. So the first role is goal achievement. So basically students, the primary role of planning system is to determine the sequence of action, is to determine the sequence of actions that will allow AI to reach a desired goal or state from its current state. The planning system systematically considers various possibilities and finds the best way to transition from the initial state to the goal state. Right? We have already discussed one example that imagine you want to go to the store. You first need to figure out how to get there. You are at your home right now and you want to go to the supermarket or any store. So at first you need to figure out how to get there. You might decide to walk, drive, or take a bus. You then plan out the best route considering the distance, the time, and other factors like traffic and all. A planning system in AI does something similar. It always helps the system figure out the best way to go from one point, that is from your source to your destination, from one point to another point, making decisions about what actions to take at each step. This is the goal achievement. All clear? Another goal we have is decision making. So, in environments where AI needs to make complex decisions, a planning system is responsible for evaluating different actions and determining which ones lead to the best possible outcome. So, decision making is very important. Let's take an example like you want to go to a supermarket from a home. This is your first destination, this is your source and this is your destination, right? There are three routes from these between these 2 points, right? So planning system helps you to decide to select best route to reach your destination faster. Clear? So it improves your decision making. Next we have is autonomy. So a planning system gives the AI the ability to act autonomously in a dynamic or any kind of uncertain environments. The AI does not rely on explicit human interventions or pre-programmed instructions to solve problems, but it can instead create plans and adapt to changing circumstances on its own. That is called autonomy. Next we have is its major role to handle complex tasks. So in real world scenario, tasks often require multiple steps. It may require some decisions or resources, right? So a planning system enables AI to break down, a planning system allows AI to break down a complex task into manageable subtasks, ensuring that the system can handle multi-step problems efficiently, such as in robotics, autonomous vehicles, or strategic games. All right, everyone. Next we have is optimal resource utilization. So under this point, planning system helps in optimizing the use of available resources. Make use of available resources. For example, when planning a sequence of actions, the system must consider time, energy, space, money, or conceptual resources to ensure that the solution is not only feasible but also efficient. So, this is the optimal resource utilization. Another role of planning system is its adaptation and flexibility. So many planning systems can handle dynamic and uncertain environments. This means that AI can adapt plans based on new information such as changes in the environment, unexpected events, or new constraints and adjust its actions accordingly. Next we have is problem solving in unknown or partially known domains. So when AI is operating in a domain where not all information is known, sometimes we have to work with such situations where complete information is not available, right? So a planning system can reason with partial knowledge. Clear? The system can generate plans that are flexible enough to accommodate new information as it become understandable. It can also handle uncertainty and incomplete data efficiently. The eighth point we have is automation to complex. It is automation to complex processes. So students, planning systems are commonly used to automate tasks in so many areas like logistics, like manufacturing and space exploration and all, where human interventions may not always be feasible or efficient. Let's take an example here. A first robot A robot or drone may automatically plan its path in a factory or warehouse to pick up items and deliver them without direct human guidance. This is done with planning system under AI. Next we have is problem decomposition. We have already discussed this particular point. So the planning system often decompose large or high level goals into smaller or easily or more manageable sub goals or tasks. This hierarchical approach makes it easier to solve complex problems just by focusing on one part at a time, helping the AI to solve problems step by step. So problem decomposition is the important role of planning system here. Another role is interacting with the environment. So students, in the context of robotics or autonomous systems, planning systems are integral for helping AI interact effectively with its environment. Another point is improving efficiency and effectiveness. So a well-designed planning system can increase the overall efficiency of the system. So अगर plan हमारा अच्छा होगा, if we already know about our goal, if we already know about the middle path to reach our goal, to reach our destination, then definitely बहुत easy काम रहते हैं, right? So planning system always improves the efficiency and effectiveness of the system. So that's all for today, everyone. I hope everything is clear to you. In the next session, we will discuss some advantages as well as disadvantages of using the planning system. So now let's just end the session. Thank you so much and all the very best.